Devauna Mum. Devauna Mum.
Yes, yes. Ready for my tattoo. What the? No. Oh man, I leave the horse like that. No, sir. Me tell this what I always make sure when you leave my house, everything must be clean, crisp and clean. Yes, ma'am. Bana, ma'am. Oh, you leave the house and not tidy your room. No, I'm just going to do something, alright? You see your socks, see your underwear. There in a minute, man. Chill. Ma, you want me to talk to you, Bana? I'm just going to do something, alright? You no business if you're busy. Stop calling me, I gotta go. Could never the boy just... You know. Yes. Ready to get this tattoo. Can't wait. I'll have to count to 3 and catch my breath.
What can I do for you, buddy?
Yeah, mate. Yeah, tattoo, yeah? No, sir. I have to call him back.
Okay, so what do you want, buddy? What can I get for you?
Vana! My youth. Oh, you ain't up the phone on me. Oh, you silly boy. Oh, you silly boy. Mom, like, it's okay. Mom, it's okay. I'll be fine. Just gonna get a quick tattoo. Oh, you silly boy. Mom, look, I need to go now. I'll talk to you when I get back. Hello? But stress. Breathe. Let me go do the laundry. Let me take my mind off killing this boy. Oh yeah, ready mate? Let's go. Right, trousers off. Ready. Right. Good to go. Right, so I'm just going to let you do your thing. I'm going to close my eyes, listen to my music, my headphones, and let you crack on, alright?
You do you, buddy.
Nice. It's just the way I meditate, you know. Close my eyes and let you get on with it.
And also in the next hour,
12 seconds later.
Right, well done, buddy. I'm not going to be but well done.
Oh, alright. Let's go. All good. Ready? Thanks again. Alright, nice one.
Well done.
See you later, mate. Sweet Jesus. Mumsy, I'm home. What's up? Mumsy, where you at? I want to show you this tattoo. Yes, I'm upstairs. Upstairs. Mum? Yes, Mum. Finish my tattoo. Yes, but no, see you get a tattoo. And you know, say me no like tattoos. Mumsy, me never think say you would be in a position where you was gonna get a tattoo. Some did say, oh, tattoo is the mark of the beast. But me know say that is not definitely true because you is my son and you is not a beast. Apart from the way you look. Me did think say that time they dropped you upon your head and your face, it did scar you for life. But no matter what, come in then now. Show me your no tattoo. Come, let me see the tattoo. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Are you sure? Take your pants down now. Let me see. Okay. Take a look at that one. Oh, Vanna. Oh, man. Oh, you silly boy. Mom, can you stop calling me a silly boy? Oh, you silly boy. No, stop calling me a silly boy. No, I'm not just calling you a silly boy. Me, I tell you. It's your tattoo. Hey, what? Oh, you silly boy. Come take a look then, no? What are you talking about? Huh? See, that's why me say never scar your skin. Never scar your skin. No look on you. And a ball, crap on the wall. Cheese and peas. Hello, mate. You best about my tattoo. So you know what I'm talking about. No, I didn't say I wanted. Oh, you silly boy. I was talking to my mum on the phone and she called me oh you sick boy and I just repeated and that's it. Boy. Because I thought I showed you the picture of what I wanted before, so I thought you knew. How are we gonna fix it?
Bust.
That sound like a you problem. Sweet Jesus, that's all I'm asking for you. Why, Vanna? Then all you fit in these. Cheese and peas and ackee and saltfish. And they are the time, sweet tattoo boy. Oh, you is such a silly boy. Well done, thank you.
Are you joking? Are you joking, Daddy?
Not yet, I'm filming. I was being silly.
Where's your mum saying?
Mumsy! Mumsy.
Daddy, what?
Oh, nice.
What the?
That's good.
I said make it. I made a cake for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Ta-da!
Oh, Peppa Pig cake. Thanks.
Because pig didn't eat.
Yeah. Nice. Right, love. Is that enough chips or do you want more?
Only 2.
No, like this.
Okay, that's it.
Oh, still recording.